Have a new product that the retail world should know about? Nominations are open for CSP's 2024 Retailer's Choice Best New Products Contest. Eligible to products launched between March 2023 and March 2024. Submissions close May 31st. Winners will be announced during the next show this October. Don't wait. Submit today via the link in our show notes.
Tesla CEO Elon Musk puts the brakes on the company's Supercharger network. DoorDash stocks take a nosedive following the release of the company's Q1 report, and Disney Plus streaming could soon be free for Kroger Boost loyalty members. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top news from Supermarket News and CSP Daily News. I'm Supermarket News editor Tim Inkelbarger.
And I'm CSP Senior Editor Hannah Hammond.
Tesla CEO Elon Musk said in an email on Monday that the company is going, quote, absolutely hardcore about layoffs, including 500 jobs from its supercharging team, according to The Information. But then the electric car mogul on Tuesday wrote on X that Tesla still plans to grow the supercharger network, just at a slower pace for new locations and more focus on 100% uptime and expansion of existing locations. Rehiring some of those laid-off workers to maintain the operation of the supercharger network were also being discussed following Monday's email, Bloomberg reported.
Murphy USA's net income and adjusted EBITDA for first quarter 2024 were lower versus the prior year quarter, the convenience store chain announced in its preliminary first quarter results Wednesday. This was primarily due to lower total fuel contribution, higher store operating expenses, and higher general administrative expenses, which were partially offset by higher overall merchandise contribution, the El Dorado, Arkansas-based company said.
DoorDash stock continued to drop on Thursday following the San Francisco-based delivery company's release of its Q1 earnings, which showed higher than expected losses, resulting in a double-digit decline in after-hours trading. Shares plummeted by more than 15% after the market closed on Wednesday and dipped further on Thursday morning. The decline in investor confidence stems from the company's reported first quarter net loss of $25 million, while an improvement over net losses of $162 million or 6 cents per share in Q1 2023, it exceeded analyst expectations of 3 cents per share.
Convenience store chain Circle K is positioning itself as America's thirst stop with a summer promotion featuring its lineup of Polar Pop and Froster beverages and adding an exclusive limited edition Gatorade flavor, Lightning Blast, to that lineup. In mid-April, Circle K suspended its Sip and Save beverage subscription program, which the retailer launched in May 2021. The company said it will instead focus on providing value through the chain's app and Inner Circle Rewards program.
Kroger and Disney are considering joining forces to offer Disney Plus, the company's streaming service, to those enrolled in the grocer's loyalty program, Kroger Boost, according to a Bloomberg story published on Wednesday. The story, based on interviews with unnamed sources familiar with the matter, says Kroger Boost members would get a 1-year subscription to the service under the partnership.
In a launch coinciding with Cinco de Mayo, May 5th, Redders is adding 2 new on-the-go options in the form of burritos, beef and pork carnitas. Mexican burrito company Tres Picosos out of Denver is providing the burritos to the convenience store's locations. The beef burritos flavors include chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, and the pork carnitas burrito features hatch mild green chilies and jalapenos. Meanwhile, Sheetz will celebrate Cinco de Mayo by offering free delivery with any taco, burrito, or taco salad order. The offer is available on May 5th and May 6th.
Albertsons, which operates under the banner Jewel Osco in Metro Chicago, maintained 22.6% of the market there in 2023, beating out big competitors like Walmart and Costco, according to a report from Axios. Walmart came in second with 16.9% of the 2023 market, followed by Costco at a distant 10.9%, according to the report.
Racetrack has opened its newest travel center in Vero Beach, Florida. The large format store is situated in the West Vero corridor on Highway 60 near I-95, bringing approximately 40 new jobs to the area. Features at the new location include a large outdoor patio, front canopy fueling stations, and a variety of food and beverage options, including grab-and-go pizza.
Workers at meatpacking and food processing facilities in Pennsylvania could be getting help regarding workplace safety. State Rep. Jim Haddock has put together House Bill 2235, which was recently approved by the Pennsylvania House Labor and Industry Committee. The bill would create training requirements for workers in the meatpacking and food processing industries, which would have to be provided in languages that at least 5% of the employees speak, provide unpaid sick leave, set up health and safety committees, and establish requirements for exposure to infectious diseases and prevention plans at each facility.
Haddock claimed a legal victory on Tuesday when the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 7th District agreed that the warehouse retailer did not violate the Wisconsin Unfair Sales Act involving gas prices. A dozen gas station owners in the Green Bay area claim Costco sold gas below state-mandated minimum prices for years, negatively impacting their businesses. The 3-judge appellate panel of the 7th Circuit also ruled the group of gas stations did not provide enough evidence showing a link to any damage or harm.
Trader Joe's did not only have its case against Union Trader Joe's United involving trademark violation dismissed, but the retailer now must pay the group's legal fees. U.S. District Judge Hernan Vera dismissed the trademark case back in January, and on Tuesday he said Trader Joe's has to cover the more than $112,000 in attorney's fees for the union. Vera believes Trader Joe's never would have filed the trademark lawsuit if it was not also battling the union from expanding its employee coverage at the store level.
Parkland Corporation, parent company of convenience store chain Parkland USA, gave an update on its sale of non-core assets in its first quarter 2024 earnings report. Bob Espy, president and CEO of the Canadian company, said it has identified more than 400 million Canadian dollars of non-core assets for disposition, many of which have already been sold or are in advanced stages of negotiation. In its U.S. segment of the business, adjusted EBITDA was $33 million, up 57% from first quarter 2023.
First quarter sales for public supermarkets were $15.1 billion, a 5% increase from the $14.3 billion in 2023. Comparable store sales increased 2.8%. The employee-owned and operated company estimated that sales increased 1% due to the effect of the Easter holiday being in the first quarter of 2024. Effective May 1st, public stock price also increased from $15.20 per share to $16.25 per share.
Line is expanding its delivery range. The Salisbury, North Carolina-based grocer will now offer delivery via Instacart in Delaware, Kentucky, Maryland, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Tennessee, and West Virginia. The delivery fee will be waived for the first order of $35 or more placed on the Food Lion to-go website or app. The ramp-up in delivery means that the retailer now offers pickup or delivery in over 90% of its 10-state operating area.
And that'll do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News and supermarketnews.com. I'm Tim Inkelbarger.
And I'm Hannah Hammond. Have a great day.
Have a new product that the retail world should know about? Nominations are open for CSP's 2024 Retailer's Choice Best New Products Contest. Eligible to products launched between March 2023 and March 2024. Submissions close May 31st. Winners will be announced during the next show this October. Don't wait. Submit today via the link in our show notes.